everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. Also wish you very happy New Year's. We are going live after a long time since our Bangalore exhibition. So I hope my voice is audible to everyone. If not, then just let me know. Hi Harshi. Hi Vinod. Hello. Hi Pavani. Hi Kajal. So today we are going to show you amazing new pieces which are elegant and as well as those are newly arrived piece. And for those who have missed our exhibition in Bangalore and Hyderabad, they can literally see from now. I'll show you all the pieces that we have sold in exhibition, and yes, with the very budget friendly price. So let's start with the very first one that we have, and that is Kanti necklace. Everybody loves Kanti necklace, be it any age group, right? So we have this very beautiful piece, and I'll show you what exactly this is. This comes with a lotus pattern, and yet the design is very intricate. So I'll just show you how designs are pretty. So this is a hasli that comes with a dori itself, so you can adjust while wearing your neck and all. So this is how it looks. The perfect lotus pattern. It's a very beautiful piece, so all can see. Just literally matching with the gold and cream pearl, and this is the best combination ever. And this we have sold 4 pieces in exhibition, in Bangalore exhibition and Hyderabad exhibition. So this is the most trendy Kanti necklace that we have now, and this is restocked. Also, let me tell you the price for this. Price is 71,000, and this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. For those who are looking for a wedding purpose or for the gifting purpose, or they want to purchase in a heavy weight, but yet this is the perfect choice to make. So this is 71,000 for this. Next, I'll show you a different piece that we have, which is a newly arrived piece, and this we haven't shown in our exhibition, but yet this is, here we go. And this one we have in Rani pink necklace, which is very budget friendly. So I'll show you. It's a very cute color in the pink shade, and with the white pearls, as you all can see, with the contrast, a red beads. I'll show you more close look. Isn't it so pretty and cute? Like, as you all can see, literally this is matching with my kurta though. It's so similar yet cute color. And yeah, this is the Rani pink necklace mala with white pearl and stone. Comes with 14 karat gold, and this comes with a BIS hallmark. Also, if you want certificate with this, that is an authenticity certificate, you will get extra. For that you have to pay 200. Also, let me tell you the price for this necklace. Price is only 6,000, so this is very much affordable for those who are looking for a budget friendly necklace mala. And अगर आपको किसी को gift करना है, be it on their wedding, reception or anything, this is a perfect choice to make. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for any items you are interested, and send us on our WhatsApp number, that is 6289596105. In case you want to customize any product, you can definitely take a screenshot of those particular items that I'm showing on the live, and let us know which customization process you want to know in that jewelry. So this is 6,000, and now I proceed with a different one. And this is basically a swan necklace. It's a very pretty pink color. I'll show you the design of the swan. This is how it looks. This is very cute, and we have sold 7 pieces in our exhibition because customers have loved it so much that they have placed an order for this. Also, we have got a lot of customization for this as well. Those customers are ordered in white and pink combination, and this one we have it in baby pink combination. A very beautiful color, and stones are so beautifully designed that you can definitely give this to your special ones and to yourself as well. So this is swan necklace chain with premium pink beads. So the quality of the beads are very high quality. Those are premium beads, you all can see. And price for this is only 15,500. So just take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this necklace, or you want to customize also. We'll do customization, but that will take 15 to 20 days dispatch time. Also, I'll show you the back of this necklace as well, for those who want to see how it does it look and how does it show with the back. This is how it looks. As you all can see, this comes with a hook and lock system. This is how you open, and this is how you close. It's very easy to wear and perfect as well. Very aesthetic, and it's very cute only. This is how it's looking, and price is only 15,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this swan necklace. Now next I'll show you a pretty lotus necklace. This is a very pretty necklace, and this is lotus necklace set with earrings. Also, you can wear it as a choker and a necklace. So this comes with a dory. आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो. You can either wear it as a choker or a necklace, as how I'm wearing this. But this gives you a perfect look wherever you go, be it a night thing or morning thing or even the afternoon thing. This will give so charm to your outfit. Also, this comes with a beautiful and very cute lotus earring. I'll show you how this earring will look like if you wear it. This comes with a Bombay screw, and this is how cute it looks. Isn't it very cute? Also, lotus is my favorite flower, so definitely this is your thing. And I'll show you more close look. I mean, I love the design because this is simple yet cute yet elegant and whatnot. Also, price for this necklace set is only 51,000, which comes with a choker plus necklace and earrings. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this lotus necklace. 51,000 is the price for this set. So yes, this is very cute, and for those who want to see how small or big earring is, this is how small or big it is. And this is a standard size of a earring, and this is a very cute earring, as you all can see. This comes with a drop of pearls, which is very cute. I'll tell you, the earrings are very cute. If you just want to buy earrings also, definitely go ahead by taking a screenshot of this whole set and send us on our Instagram page or WhatsApp number, and we'll share you all the details. Alright, next I'll show you something different which has arrived, and this is a newly product, so I'll show you this. Alright, so this one we have in black beads evil eye bracelet. This is evil eye black beads bracelets, and this is very cute for those who are looking for the evil eye. You can definitely go ahead with this. So definitely depends on your size. आपको कैसा size का bracelet चाहिए, we'll customize accordingly that. This is my customer size, so I'll show you on the live. This is how it looks. And price for this evil eye black beads bracelet is only 10,500, which comes with the hook, the side hook, and you can wear it easily you want to. And this is very convenient to wear, and agar aap chaho you can wear it as a daily wear as well. So this is perfect choice, and very lightweight, comes with a 14 karat gold with PIS hallmark. Price is only 10,500. Now next I'll show you my favorite. This one is studded bracelet, and you can definitely wear it for your daily wear. So we have got a lot of feedbacks, just please make our daily wear bracelets and all. So finally we have this in our stock, and this is with a new design. Alright, so this one is called studded bracelet, the Swarovski stones, and this is very simple, very much for those who are looking for a formal wear or daily wear clothes. Definitely it's perfect, and this comes with the 14 karat gold with PIS hallmark. This is how it looks, and I'll show you more close look. This is how pretty it looks, and this is adjustable, so do not worry about your size. And this bracelet price is only 21,500. So this comes with all benefits. You can wear it as a daily wear, you can wear it as a formal wear, you can wear it as your party or night wear, and wherever any accessories you want to put up. This is must-have accessories that you want to add in your wardrobe. So price is only 21,500. This is the best price that we are giving you at. And yeah, this comes with the hallmark. Now I'll show you the next bracelet that I am wearing, and this is also almost same. The design is a different one, and this comes with a heart shape. It's a very cute one as well for those who are looking for a gift purpose, or maybe Valentine's is approaching, so you can give this to your special ones. So yeah, आप अभी से pre-book कर लोगे, you will get it within 7 days or 4 days. So this is the perfect choice to make, and yeah, again you can wear it as a daily wear, as a formal wear, or as a party wear as well. So this is the perfect choice to make, and price for this is also 21,500, and this comes with the adjustable thing. This is how you can fix it with the adjustable size. Very easy to wear. So this is also 21,500. So take a screenshot. Price is only 21,500, which has 14 karat gold with PIS hallmark. Now next I'll show you this rice pearl choker, which is also a set and a necklace, and the earrings are very beautifully designed. So here you go. You can wear it either as a choker, or I'll show you as a necklace as well. So you can wear it as a both ways, as a necklace and earrings. This comes with a rice pearl with Navratna stones, and this is a necklace set. I'll show you the earring, how does it look like. And this comes with a Bombay screw, and this is how pretty the earring is looking. Show you like this. Even though I'm wearing this mala necklace, it's matching with my mala necklace as well, though it's a Navratna, but the rice pearl combination now fades away. So this is the best choice to make in your 2025. So go ahead with this color combination, which has Navratna stones, by means 9 stones. And yeah, so take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this necklace set, which you can wear it as a choker as well, which comes with the Navratna stones. Isn't it so pretty? Like, I can show you the whole look, even the close look as well. Also, price for this necklace set is only 55,000, which comes with a earring. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this set, or in case you want to customize also. This is how pretty it looks. Alright, next I'll show you my favorite, which has gone trendy on our exhibitions obviously. So this is how pretty it looks. This is in green pattern, and the designs are very newly designs. as you all can see. This one is in green necklace long set, and I'll show you the earring. The earrings are very pretty. You'll love it. Design is so cute. आपको मन करेगा कि आप सिर्फ earrings भी ले लो because the earrings are very cute. This is how it looks, the earrings, and I'll show you the earrings size, and this is how it looks. So this is also standard size of earring which you can wear it, with your sari or with your kurta, anything. And this is a lightweight, so आप टेंशन मत लो, आपको ना फंसेगा ना ऐसा कुछ होगा, because this comes with the Bombay screw, as you can see. This comes with the Bombay screw and it's perfect. And for those who are looking like kind of little jhumka in it, you can definitely go ahead with this one, which has whole key and emerald green beads, the greatest combination ever. And green is such a color that you can actually combine with any outfits you want, be it red color or maybe be it white or black, because green goes with all outfits. So this is the one that comes with the necklace. I'll show you the design of the necklace. So pretty. Let's just see the design. These are 4 keys. Comes with a 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and the pearls and the beads are very high quality. So yeah. Also, price for this whole set is only 38,000. So if you just want to buy the earring, can you send us the screenshot of that particular item? I can share you all the details via WhatsApp or Instagram. Also, price for this whole necklace set is only 38,000, and this is very budget friendly for those who are looking for a necklace mala. And अगर आप wedding season के लिए खरीदो, this is a perfect choice because we are giving at a very best price, and of course the gold weight as well. We'll share you all the details and the earring itself. The earrings are very cute yet minimal, and definitely goes with all outfits. So this is a whole necklace set, and price for this whole set is only 38,000. If you want to know more details such as weight or wastage charges or anything, just send a screenshot or take a screenshot of this whole set and send us on our Instagram page. We'll share you each and every details. Okay, so next I'll show you the ring that I'm wearing, and yes, this is a very pretty and newly arrived, and this comes with a Swarovski stones, so definitely you're gonna love the design. So this is how pretty it looks. And yes, this comes with the Swarovski stones, and design is in leaf pattern, a side leaf pattern. I'll show you more close look for this ring. This is how it looks. This is so pretty because obviously this comes with the Swarovski stones, and Swarovski stones never goes away. This you should definitely wear it in your morning, day, night or anything, because this gives you that dazzling effect at any time you wear it. And I'll tell you what, this is a budget friendly ring as well. So this is a very newly arrived item that we haven't even taken in our exhibition, but this is for you, and that's why we have done live for just to show you the new designs. For those who are looking for a minimal ring product, this is the perfect choice to make. And as Valentine's Day is approaching, so you can definitely give this to your special ones. So yeah, and you can also give this to yourself as well, because Valentine's Day to Valentine's Day hai definitely. So yeah, so take a screenshot of this ring, and price for this is only 7,500. Because this is a very budget friendly, and this we are giving a very much best price. So take it, because again you'll regret later because कोई और ले जाएगा then. So obviously you have to wait for 15 to 20 days to dispatch time, because just we have only one product in our stock. Rest it will take 20 days time. 7,500 is the price for this ring, and this is my favorite of 2025. Alright, next I'll show you the one that I'm wearing. Actually, this set I'm wearing it. the mala, which is in red beads, and this comes with the white pearl. As you all can see, these are the high and very premium quality of white beads, which is crafted by our craftsmanships, and बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने किया. So I'll show you the earrings of this necklace as well. This is the earring, and this is the set, the necklace that comes with the earring. So I'll show you what's the standard size of this earring looks, and this is the whole set is, which comes with a Bombay screw, and this is how it looks. Like, this is for those who are looking for, you know, grand vacation or wedding season तो already चल रहा है. So definitely you can go ahead with this one, which comes with this set. That is this necklace and this earring. This is a combination of a stud and dangle pearls, which comes with polkas and ruby stones, which is semi-precious. I'll show you the back of the earring, which comes with the Bombay screw. So Bombay screw, mostly people prefer it because it has a lightweight and very easy to wear it. So this is how it looks. You all can even take a screenshot if you want to order just the earrings, or if you want to customize this earring with another pair of colors or any other thing. So this is how the whole necklace set looks like. And this is definitely giving you Maharani vibe as well, because the set name is Maharani Necklace Mala. And price for this whole set is only 95,000. So you all can see the pendant that I'm wearing, which is attached with this mala along with the cream pearls. So price for this necklace set, which comes with the earring, is only 95,000. So if you want to place an order, you can take a screenshot by like this. You can take a screenshot and send us on our Instagram page. So this is only 95,000, and I'll share you the gold bits if you want. Alright, the last piece I'll show you, which is this pretty gold stud in flower pattern, in coin flower pattern, and this is this goddess Lakshmi. So I'll show you the design. It's very cute. This is how the designs look. It's in flower coin pattern and the goddess Lakshmi. So all can see. This is very cute for those who are looking for a gold stud and, you know, festive occasion, but you can definitely wear this. And this is how cute it will look. And this comes with the Bombay screw, so it's very convenient to wear. This is how pretty it looks. This is definitely going with my kurta. I'm wearing this pink kurta, so what? But this gold stud is definitely matching my outfit. For those who want to go for the basic minimal look but yet in a gold stud, this is the perfect choice to make. So you can take a screenshot to place an order by taking a screenshot and send us on our Instagram page or WhatsApp number, which is 6289596105. This is how cute it looks. It's not like, you know, the designs are very cute. I'll tell you why. So price for this stud is only 20,000. So yeah, this is a lightweight, and 20,000 is the price, which is very affordable in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. This gives you that heavyweight look, but this ain't heavyweight. This is not heavyweight. This is lightweight, but it's giving you that heavyweight look, you know. और फेस्टिव ओकेशंस पे एंड वेडिंग सीजन पे आप डेफिनेटली इसे पहन सकते हो विदाउट एनी चॉइस. So 20,000 is the price for this stud. Now next I'll show you the last chain that we have for today's live, and this is a very pretty. Why? Because this comes with the Navaratna stones, and by Navaratna stone means total 9 stones, which this comes with the 9 beads and stones. So I'll show you in the necklace set so that it will be easier for you to see. So this is how it looks. This is Navaratna stones. As you all can see, those are 9 stones, different stones. It has green, red, white, pink, red, blue, and different kinds of shades of pink and blue, with the lemon yellow shade as well. And I'll show you the back side of the chain as well. The chain comes with a side hook, so as you all can see, this is a hook, and yeah, price is very budget friendly, and you can definitely wear this on your any festive occasion or your special occasion. Price for this chain is only 10,500. So this is a very lightweight chain, and if you're looking for a gifting purpose, or आप अपनी mom को भी ये gift कर सकते हो, this is a very pretty. This is a very pretty price, and this comes with the affordable price as well, because it's only 10,500. We have got a lot of compliments regarding this chain, because ये हमेशा stock में नहीं रहता है, it's always out of stock, because people love this design and this chain. They have bought for their mothers, for their daughters, and for their sister-in-law, daughter-in-law. So we're getting a lot of compliments and orders for this particular chain, and now we are back in stock. So that's why I want to show you on the live. This is how pretty it looks. 10,500 is the price for this chain. In case you want to order or you want to know the details, you can take a screenshot of this chain and send us on our Instagram page. We'll share you each and every details regarding this. As all the products are ready to dispatch, if you are placing order today, we'll dispatch it today itself, and you'll get delivery within 2 to 3 days through Blue Dart. So this is how it was looking, and I'll just give you a recap of each and every product. So because someone commented that show me once every collections, so let's just do a little bit of recap. And yeah, so yeah, I'll show you each product at once. So this is a Kanti necklace, as you all can see, a Hasri necklace, and this comes with a lotus pattern. Price for this is only 71,000. Now next I'll show you this necklace, pink one, which is a necklace mala, combination of white and pink, and price for this necklace mala is only 6,000. Alright, next I'll show you this set, which comes with a lotus pattern, and it's very beautiful. This is how it looks, which comes with a earring. So I'm just doing a little recap for those who have missed a live or जिन्होंने बोला है. So I'm just doing a small recap. Yeah, this comes with a earring, the whole set, and you can definitely wear it as a choker and a necklace. So I'll show you how you can wear it as a choker. This as a choker you can wear it, and as a necklace, this is how it will look. If you want a long, you can adjust accordingly with the dori itself, which is given in the back. आप इसका adjustment कर सकते हो. So this is how you can wear it, or any, it's per your choice. And price for this necklace set is only 51,000, which comes with the earring. And next I'll show you the swan necklace that we have shown, and this is a very pretty one. This is a swan necklace, and price for this is only 15,500. And next I'll show you the bracelet that I'm wearing, which is a Kara bracelet and perfect for daily wear. Price is only 20,500. And the other one, this one, which is a newly arrived collection, studded bracelet, and price for this is 21,500. And for this black beads evil eye bracelet, for this price is only 10,500. Both of them you can wear it as a daily wear, and this as well. So yeah, the bracelet that I'm wearing, this 3, you can wear it as a daily wear. This is 10,500, this is 21,500, and the set that I'm wearing, which is this necklace and this earring, price for the whole set, this earring and the necklace, price is only 95,000. so you all can take a screenshot of this whole set. And the last piece, this one, which is in green combination. Also, I'll tell you the price for this one, which is 38,000, which comes with the earring and whole necklace set. 38,000 is the price for this one, green. And of course, this stud that I showed you, this one right here, which comes with the Bombay screw, and price is only 20,000. This is a gold stud. 20,000 is the price for this one. And of course, the last piece of our life, which is the rice pearl set, which you can wear it as a choker and a necklace. This beautiful set, which is a newly arrived. I'll show you the earrings, like the size of the earring. How does it look like on me? This is how pretty it looks, the rice pearl on it. And I'll tell you the price for this. Price is only 55,000. So take a screenshot of this earring. So there was some network issue. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. The live is just ending. So for the next live, I'll update you through our stories. Till then, have a nice day ahead. And if you have like any product, I hope you haven't already taken our screenshots, and you can send us on our Instagram page or the WhatsApp number, which is 6289596105. And alright, so किसी को queries है or anything, you can definitely ask. Or if you like any product or you want any customization in that product, send a screenshot to us and I'll share you all the details with that. So have a nice day ahead, and thank you. By Friday we'll have again second live for this one as well with the new products I'll show you. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.